I feel comfortable in Malibu. We got a very special tour today. When you say, you know, you have access to the water or you have a water view, it's gonna be loud out here. Whoa, whoa. Hey, come on in. Guess where I am? Malibu. That's right, where else do you get waves like that? So we got a very special tour today. We're gonna be introducing my boy who runs Malibu for the Altman Brothers. We're gonna get a tour of this property just sold in one day. We're gonna give you the whole story about it. Matt, you coming down?
What's up, baby?
Whoa.
Welcome, guys, welcome.
Look at that, so Matt Stomberg, he's like a born and raised Malibu guy. Went to Pepperdine.
Went to Pepperdine, loved it.
So the reason why Matt and I are giving you the tour today is Matt and I did this deal together where we sold this property to our friends at Picasso. So for those of you who don't know, Picasso is a company that buys vacation homes like this, which they just spent over $5 million on, and then they offer 1/8 shares of the house. It's not a timeshare, it's 1/8 ownership of the house, and they have this incredible system that they've created where it makes it very easy for you to coordinate the dates you want to use it, property managers, everything, all dialed in. What did we sell this for?
So we listed, or they listed at 4.9, right? Came on, and in this area right here, when you have a house that's this nice, this well done, they'll go like that. So we didn't even have a showing for this, actually. We just called in and wrote the offer right up. Had to, compete with a couple other realtors, which we love doing. Ended up buying it for 5.3.
This sold for 5.3 to our client, Picasso, and sold in one day. It's funny because afterwards, they got more offers that were over $400,000 more than what we sold it to our client for. So, well, number one, that's why you hire the Altman Brothers. But number two, the reason why we're here is you are gonna check this place out, and there's an option for you to buy 1/8 ownership in this, where you can spend 1/8 of your year here in prime Malibu, right off of PCH. What are the specs that we're looking at here?
So we got just under 1,900 square feet, 3-bed, 3-bath, and I would say at the $5 million mark, one of the coolest master bedrooms. So you guys are gonna be able to check that out. It's something to see.
Well, when you say, you have access to the water or you have a water view, this is gonna be loud out here. This is like, if you wanna dive into the ocean, you can from your balcony. Come on out.
So this is Big Rock Beach right here, right?
Whoa.
So I don't know if you can hear me, but it's high tide right now.
That is so classic Malibu. I love that. There you go. Don't fall in, Mark. Don't fall in. And then we got more over there. Now, what's really cool about this is you get everything here from the whale watching, the dolphins just swim right in front of your house. You're sitting out on your balcony, which you have 2 of, here and off the master, and you're in it. You're as in it as it gets.
Absolutely.
All right, we're gonna test my boy Matt's knowledge of Malibu. You ready? How many miles is Malibu?
We got 21 miles of coastline here.
Okay, all right, thank you.
That was quick, that was quick.
I'm glad you got that. That's that famous sign that says 21 miles Malibu coastline. For people who are not from California, talk about a little bit about where we are right now.
So we're on Pacific Coast Highway, which is one of the most famous highways in the world.
Yeah, I mean the PCH.
One of the most beautiful drives you can take out here. We are actually right under Big Rock as well. So you got Big Rock Beach down here. You got one of the best restaurants, one of my favorites, Moon Shadows. Best frozen margaritas you can get.
Nobu right around the corner. You got the Malibu Country Mart right around the corner. All the shopping, all the cool surfwear, all that. It's all right here, which is why this is a perfect 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or if you're real big time, 5th home. Also, this is pretty typical size for a house on PCH. This is what $5 million gets you in Malibu. All this furniture does stay with the house, so when you show up for Picasso to come and enjoy a vacation, everything you see is here.
Each 6 of the houses that we've sold to them this year, within 30 days of them closing, they've already sold out of shares. So if you have any interest at all at being, a part owner, hop on it immediately. The shares are running out.
So that's what you expect here. We're in a very hot market right here. We are in the kitchen of this beautiful house in Malibu. The stone, I love this. I love this custom stone, and sink and everything right here. Top of the line stove, of course. It's a great kind of vibe. It's that shabby chic vibe a little bit for the beach. You got one powder room over here and 3 bedrooms upstairs. And most importantly, because parking is not that easy here.
Having a garage is key on PCH. I will say that. I will say that. You don't want your tail end sticking out on the PCH.
That's right. Listen, I would buy that garage for $1 million right now. Just 2 spots. Want to go check out the bedrooms upstairs? Let's go do it. I like the vibe upstairs. It's very like warm, modern, earthy tones.
So first bedroom here could completely be an office. They have it staged right now as a bedroom though. All the furniture they have is all top of the line stuff as well. And every single house Picasso does. They make sure to bring in like high quality stuff.
And also like this is not a shoebox of a bedroom. This is a really generous sized bedroom. I thought when I first walked through this house that this was the master. It's not, but look at how beautiful it is. Built out, I mean, insane. So this is one of the 3 bedrooms upstairs. We're gonna take you to the next bedroom, which of course, then the next bedroom, you're like, it's gonna be really small. No, it's not. So this is cool because it gets the light from above in here. I mean, this place is so turnkey that I actually just want to say goodbye to you guys and just hang out here for a minute.
One of the tough things about being on PCH as well, and just a testament to how well this house is built, is the PCH noise. So most of the time you're just hearing cars all night long.
Right,
but this house is so well built that you got nothing. So at night, open one of the windows out there, listen to the beach. Perfect.
That's it. This is the
shared bath for these 2 bedrooms here.
Yeah, I love this type of sink. It's very cool. All stone, beautiful finishes. And this is my favorite soap. You know why? It's $60 each one of these. Just kidding. No, I love this. My daughter actually came into my bathroom the other day and used it to go, Daddy, I love this soap. And of course, you know, daughter's got good taste. She keeps asking me about the soap. So now we got a problem because it's really expensive.
Making our way through here to the master.
Oh, look at this. So you got accordion doors right here, just so you understand how this opens. 1. See this? I'm a door expert. I know how to open things like this. There you go. And anyways, you guys get the idea. This goes the entire way. So you are laying in your bed, basically in the ocean. This is like you're on a cruise. You got the built-in shades, of course. Everything's electric. When it comes time for the blackouts, boom, they come on down.
So you've got seamless finishes throughout, all custom throughout the entire house. But one of the nice things about this master is the way that this feels more like an enclave right here. So extremely private, no one's looking in. And one of the nice things about this balcony is the actual size of it. You know, usually when you've got these houses, they just put this little 2 feet little step out there. But you can actually go out here, relax, lay down. You've got these sofa chairs, you know, that give you the ability just to kind of sprawl out. Very nice to have.
Oh yeah, I've been on a balcony in Malibu before where you like step out and you're like, so how are you? And the person's right next to you and it's just, it's tight. This is the best of the best. This is like the highest price per square foot type of real estate you could buy. $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $10,000 a square foot up and down this coast. You got billionaires as neighbors here. You got a lot of celebrities, a lot of Hollywood celebrities that, you know, when they want to get away from the city of LA, they go to Malibu. And what's cool about that, especially me, you know, being a Beverly Hills guy, how long did it take us to get out here today?
30 minutes, man.
30 minutes.
From Beverly Hills, from center of Beverly Hills, right out here. So one of the best things about, you know, being on this coastline, right? So you've got houses that are 1,500 square feet. You've got one like this. It's just under 2,000, 2,500 square feet. It's the total usage of all the square footage. Not just inside, not just the balcony space. You've got the roof deck as well, which again, you usually never get on these types of houses. And then the special surprise I have for you guys, you've got a bottom deck. So we've actually got 4 floors here. You got a jacuzzi down there. So get down there, turn the jacuzzi on, looking out into the ocean.
Who doesn't like a little jacuzzi? Hey, first, let's go see this. This is the owner's suite bathroom. This is pretty cool, this shot right here from back in the day. Tells you a little bit about where we are, which is nice. Again, the finishes in here. This house, the way that it's set up is amazing. And we are going to replace this with a fresh one. By the way, can we talk about the people that save these in hopes that they grow back?
Oh.
This is a shout out for all you orchid savers. Oh, no, it's supposed to grow back. And then a year and a half later, it's still like this on your desk. Throw it out. Throw it out. I get you a new one. So how much can people buy? What are the 1/8 selling for?
So 1/8 of this house for ownership is $786,000. So to be able to have this entire house for $786,000,
yeah,
$5.5 million house.
Your other option is $5.5 million. You gotta love that. All right,
check out this rooftop deck.
And so what's cool about this is that this is actually grandfathered in, right? Yeah. You can't do this again.
We're sitting under Big Rock, and it is one massive rock.
That's crazy. And by the way, this is super cool too.
Yeah.
Usually when you come up to some of these things, like it's some old rickety, piece of material. This is state of the art.
Spring loaded.
You're walking out of the spaceship. Easy access straight from the master, which is great. You can hang out, have a bottle of wine, go down about 10 steps, you're in your bed. Love it. How cool is this? Look at this. And you can tell how rare this is because there are no other decks on this entire coast right here. This is the only one. You gotta love this. How cool and unique is this? I feel comfortable in Malibu. Hold on. Let me Malibu-tize myself a little. I got my Malibu bracelets. See that? Wow, yeah.
You're gonna get about 6 to 8 hours a day during low tide, right? When this sets back in, you can walk all the way up and down this beach.
So this is called the wet beach, is what we call it in Malibu, which means that you have a beach, but sometimes you don't have a beach. So yeah, it's high tide right now. You're not going in there.
You don't want to walk out and then high tide come and you get stuck.
Yeah, then you're gonna be walking down PCH. Then you're gonna be calling the Uber.
Yeah. Let's go check the jacuzzi.
You wanna go check that out?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Let's go. What? I mean, is this actually here? What an incredible extra bonus space.
Every single square inch of this house is used to the best of its capabilities.
So, first of all, look at how close we are here. I mean, we got the water literally, 10 feet below us, the waves crashing, and you got this very cool built out spot, which if you look under other people's, it's not built out. And on top of this really cool, little area here, you got the jacuzzi. I love that. And then of course you got this. Yay! Well, that's it, folks. We're here. Whoa!
Thank you everybody for joining us. We're closing out at 20612 Pacific Coast Highway.
That's right. This can be yours. 1/8 of it. Whoa! Thanks for hanging with us, Altman Brothers. Check out the house on our website. Matt Stomberg, Josh Altman. Click subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, look at that surf. And the only thing cooler than having something grandfathered in is having a grandfather that just gives you the property.